Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper peacock plant with cardstock paper. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below the video along with the template to cut with the Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. You'll need to cut one set of the leaf and the pattern inside the leaf on a dark purple fig color and one set of the same on a green cardstock paper. The template will have 3 different versions of each set, so if you want to do all 3, make sure to have each set one on purple and one on green. Then I use acrylic green paint. I added a little bit of yellow to give it that vibrant light green color that goes along with the leaf color. Then I added the pattern inside the leaf and gently stroke in between the pattern. This is just a rough measurement to remember where to paint. Then I take the pattern out and then go back and paint it in, leaving some of the pattern section empty. I add a line going down the middle and then brush going diagonally towards the center like a letter V. Make sure to also leave a little gap between the edge. You could also look through some of the images of this peacock plant and see the pattern we are trying to mimic here. There's a gap on the edge and there are gaps between where the inside pattern will be placed, but anything in the center of the leaf will be filled in with this color. And the strokes should be going diagonally down, like I mentioned, towards the center. The edges shouldn't be straight either. There should be this brushed look at the end. Next, take that matching set of purple fig color and make sure it meets on the back side of the green leaf. And make sure that back side will be the part you paint. So keep in mind that the way it's facing, it should be mirrored to the green one. This will be the back side, so it doesn't matter as much, so I don't put in the details of the pattern and just stroke diagonally going down towards the center like the letter V. It should take a few minutes for everything to dry, and when it is dry, we could go back to the green one and add white glue along the inside pattern, and it doesn't have to be nicely glued. Just add as much as you can to let it sit, but we'll be going back and Mod Podge this so it doesn't have to be fully glued down on each pattern. You want to match the pattern to the painted gaps so it seems like it's being connected. Do the same to the purple set, add glue onto the inside pattern and glue on top, and this one it doesn't matter to match to any painted pattern. Then add glue on the back side of the purple set and add enough glue going down the middle so we could add our floral wire stem. Then sandwich the stem with the green set and make it match up. While the glue is setting, go back and hold it down, especially in the wire area, and slightly curl the edges to give some shape to the leaf. I also go back and add some shape going in and out between the inside pattern like a ruffle, just so that the leaf isn't too flat. I also wanted to show you the other versions where you could make these also in different sizes and the different versions that I provided. If you are adjusting the size Make sure to adjust it as the set for the green and the purple together, the front and the back. Next, use satin finish Mod Podge and brush it along the leaf the same way you painted, brushing it along the inside pattern direction like a letter V. It's okay if it looks white for now. Once it is fully dried, it should turn clear. It takes about 30 minutes to an hour for it to fully dry. Do both the front and back side and to all the leaves you have. I made about 12 of them for my one potted plant. You could make more or less depending on how big and full you want your overall plant. Once everything is dry, you can start adding them into your pot. I usually add a styrofoam inside the pot and cover with some rocks, and then stick my leaves and shape them as you go. I'll be adding this to my collection of paper plants. They pair so well with other paper plants that you could also make and check out on my website. I'll link the other paper plants for you. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.